I feel down when I'm high, after the pouring rain. I could tell you didn't care about my broken heart I gave, and I couldn't feel love coming close to the end. I guess that's why I just gave all the love away. I'm walking away from everything, all the pain you gave me. No credits for what I gave down, just a blade you flipped on me. You cut away all the love I gave when you needed me. You're an Oscar for the love you fake, like a cheesy movie. So these bars on flames, then I swing away, break all you gave. I'm riding away, I'm dying to say I've been flying high in space, days without sleep I've been trying to medicate. I feel down when I'm high, after the pouring rain. I could tell you didn't care about my broken heart I gave, and I couldn't feel love coming close to the end. I guess that's why I just gave all the love away. I feel down when I'm high, after the pouring rain. I could tell you didn't care about my broken heart I gave, and I couldn't feel love coming close to the end. I guess that's why I just gave all the love away.
MARKIZ the D. I'm about to read you some poetry. NiNtenDoKid, I gotta read her some poetry, man, so she can know where I'm coming from, you know what I mean?
You know I'm gonna read this shit.
Let me see how this is.
Go ahead, nigga. Poetry.
She shot me, yeah, sparking the can, it was ruthless. That's what I get for putting my heart in the hands of Medusa.
Dang.
She rock my world, girl. I look into your eyes while I'm stoned. You love all my rap songs. I got bars by the tone.
Ooh.
I'm out here hustling hard. I got that girl and boy by the zone. See, when I get dope, I got a double, like the boy got a clone. I put my trust into you, girl. I told you my darkest secret. I hope you keep it, cause you always tripping for other reasons. I love the deepest. Let's go vegan. Baby girl, fuck the beefing. If you ask me why I love intense, it's easy, girl, cause we mean it. I got you locked inside my heart, and it ain't a lock you can pick. Like playing it when we was kids. Girl, I got you. You it. You it. I know it's fucked up, but you ain't been getting the best of me lately. But call our love Destiny's Child, because it's destiny, baby. It's time, Bonnie Trick Clyde. Ooh yeah, she got me. She put a bullet inside my gun and she shot me. Damn. Lil' mama straight caught a body. Damn. Oh yeah. And she won't tell nobody about it. But I'm still about it.